Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be speaking about the Churchill Capital IV stock, ticket symbol CCIV, and the merger news coming up. I've had to get into this as quick as possible because the stock is going crazy. Anyway, like and subscribe, let's get into it. As you all know, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a licensed financial advisor, so if you do want professional help, you'll have to look elsewhere. Come the time of recording, CCIV is currently trading at $62 a share, and they've had a massive run up over the past month since the rumours started to get about, soaring over 200%. For those of you who don't know, CCIV is having a possible SPAC merger with electric car manufacturer Lucid Motors, who are based in California. This deal would make them a public company, and the reason why people are buying into CCIV is because when the merger happens and you own some CCIV stock, you will then own a percentage of Lucid Motors as well. Lucid Motors has a market cap of 13.6 billion, which has jumped up a lot since the rumours started back in January this year. Now, the past couple of weeks we have seen CCIV explode. On Friday the 22nd of January they're trading at $17 a share. Fast forward only 2 weeks and you've doubled your money. Friday the 5th of February and they're at $34 a share. I scripted this last night and it said in the past week CCIV hit $59 a share. Today, let's have a look quickly. Over $64 a share. Sorry, I had to get the tab up. This is because over the past couple of days, news was released stating that the two companies have agreed on key terms of the merger contract, which has sent the stock flying. I've had my eye on this play for at least 2 weeks now and I didn't want to miss out on it, so last week I put in some money. Unfortunately I was waiting until I got paid, but I had CCIV waiting on my watch list, all nice and ready. However, with this paycheck I did split it between 4 or 5 different companies. I didn't go all in on CCIV. This is because my portfolio is mainly, EV dominated at the moment and I'm starting to diversify. On the 10th of Feb at 10 minutes past 4, I put £200 into CCIV, then later topped it up 15 minutes before the market closed with another £180. So I had £380 going into this play over the next couple of days. The next day, Thursday, was flat, but the transition into Friday saw a 12% jump from around $31 a share to $35 a share. We then saw some back-to-back green days until Tuesday the 5th of Feb at 5 PM, where the news was announced about the two companies agreeing on key terms, and this has been the biggest catalyst so far in this whole play. Within the space of a week, CCIV has jumped from $32 a share to $56 a share come the end of the market closing on the 17th of Feb. My average price is currently at $32.08 a share, and I have held the whole journey until the 17th of Feb, where I sold half of my shares just to lock in some profit. At this point I was over 70% up in my investment, and I still am with my remaining investment, so I managed to take away a profit of £127 from selling half. In my opinion, it would be silly not to take at least some guaranteed profit away from this trade, as it is still very risky. The whole outcome of this stock depends on whether the merger happens or not. The final piece of news can only be the merger confirmation, which is what myself and other fellow investors are looking out for at the moment. If you're not in on this trade, I would not recommend getting in unless you are 100% confident and going balls to the walls that this merger is definitely gonna go through. Obviously there's not a 100% chance it can. Worst case scenario, the merger doesn't happen and the companies can't agree on terms. CCIV stock is plummeting straight down to $10 a share, no questions asked. They are severely overvalued at the moment, as the current share price more represents the merger happening with Lucid rather than CCIV as a company and its fundamentals backing it. However, a lot of indicators have pointed towards the success of this play, hence why I had to keep £190 in. From this point for me, it's pretty much a win-win because I've already taken a good amount of profit from it, and plus, even if it does go through and the merger does happen, I'm still going to make a very good return on my current investment. If this merge does go through, we could see CCIV stock hitting $100 a share, leaving huge profits at everyone involved, even if you got in at $50 a share. The news announcement should drop within the coming weeks or even days, no one really knows yet, which is why I had to turn this video around in such short time. At the point of recording, my current investment in Churchill Capital looks like this, and I'm going to be holding this until the news does come out, whether a merger happens or it doesn't. I have a barrier of profit I can use to prevent going negative in this play, as my average price is still at $32 a share. So considering I'm quick enough on my phone, I should be able to sell if the news does come out that there's going to be no merger, while still making a little bit of money. Let me know if you're invested in CCIV and if you plan on getting involved in the comments below. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you took something away from it and you had a little bit of fun looking at my CCIV investment at the moment and what's going to happen in the future. But yeah, this video was slightly rushed considering I'm still in work at the moment, like part-time, so I've got to kind of fit it around my schedule, but I'm straight home recording for you lot at home. Make sure to like and subscribe. There are other channels you need to check out in the description below. Stay safe and go make some money. I'll see you all later.